gonna make a Vaporeon. The colors you'll need is a light blue, a dark blue, yellow, black, and white. First, start with the light blue. I'm going to be making a tiny Vaporeon. This is how much blue you'll need for the head. Okay. Now roll it like a ball shape, like this. So now I'm going to be making the body. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to get some clay. Make it like another ball, and then roll it a little. Like that. And then get dark blue, close the light blue top. Get some dark blue. And with your head, do this. Like that. Okay. So now, get a little bit of your dark blue and fill the head. Fill the head with your dark blue because you made a little hole. Like that. Okay. So now, I'm going to make a little spike and then put it on the dark blue. And now, I'm going to put this here. And put this one over here. Like that. Okay. So now I'm going to get yellow. Ugh. There's a little hole. Okay. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, and very nice. Okay. Wow, I like this yellow clay, but it's too sticky. It's sticking to my fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna make the Vaporeon though, right? Yeah. Even if it's too sticky, it's kind of making a mess on my fingers. Okay. Make a circle, flatten it down, and then make some holes. Like this. Kind of. Now attach it. And make another one. And then we're done with yellow. Circle, flat down. Oh, but this yellow is actually too sticky. I don't want to use this yellow anymore. It's just too sticky. Why did I even pick this? Okay. So now I'm going to attach this right over here. Like that. close yellow because you're done. Now, time to use some black. Okay. So with black, make a, then circle it and do the same thing you did with these. Okay. And now attach it to your fin, that side to the other side. So we're gonna make 4 for the other side too. But first we're gonna do it on this side. Like that.
You having fun?
Yes, Dada. That's Daddy. Daddy's just so silly. Daddy's silly. Okay. So Vaporeon should look like this. Oh, something. Okay. Now I'm going to make the eyes. So get this, roll it into a ball, rectangle actually, like this. Okay, so now attach it on the face. Make another one. Wow, it looks like my Vaporeon's sparkling, cause there's glitter in mine. Alexa, stop. Sorry about that. Okay. Now get white. Well, this is the only... Oh. Also, don't forget, you'll need peach. Right here. And peach, okay? Sorry. I didn't see that. Attach the body first. Like this. My Vaporeon's gonna be standing up, but you can make yours sitting. Well, you don't need peach. You can just use white. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. So your Vaporeon should look like that. So with the white, get a little tiny bit. But we're going to use white a little bit more. So it can get that. Okay, get it a little bit. Wait, where's the cat? Oh, okay, found it. Okay. So now, attach that on. Like that. Oh. You want to attach the head on, like, and secure it. Oh. The white fell off. Okay, so now get some more white. This much white. Okay. Okay. Now do this. Circle, circle, circle. Okay. So now make like little pointy things on it. And we also had to do the tail, of course. And the legs. We're not, like, done. Okay, now attach it. So now it should be like that. Okay, So now let's do the legs with this blue again. Okay, so how to make the legs. And I'm going to try to make it like stand. Okay. Get a little blue. Like that. Okay. Roll it. And then down here, it's not hard. Just bend it like that. Okay, so now make 3 more for Vaporeon's legs. Now we have to make 2 more. Okay, now I have to make 1 more. And we have to make the tail. So, yeah. Don't forget to make that, like, the curves at the end. Okay. So I did all 4 legs and then smush this down a little, but make sure they're the same size. Okay. Now put them on like that. But for the back legs, squish. And then attach them. Do that for the other leg. Only for the back legs though, not the front. So now it should look like this, but something's missing. The tail. Okay. So to make the tail, get some light blue. Roll it. But we need a teeny tail. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is do this at the end. Okay. So like this. Now attach it to the teeny tiny tail. Now the tail should look like this. Then attach the Vaporeon to the tail. And there, and this is how you make Vaporeon. This is the face, the legs, and the tail.